Support and rest, always within reach. This foldable walking chair stick transforms from a stable walking cane into a comfortable seat in seconds. Lightweight yet durable, with anti-slip rubber feet for safety on any surface. Perfect for elderly users, travelers, or anyone who needs a quick break on the go. Easy to fold, carry, and store. No tools needed. Stay independent, stay comfortable, wherever life takes you. When versatility meets durability, you get a tool that's ready for anything. This folding survival multi-tool is built to handle whatever the day throws at you, whether you're out in the wild, fixing something on the go, or just like being prepared. Its compact design hides serious strength, combining smart function with a rugged, matte black frame that feels solid in your hand. It opens and folds smoothly, locking into place with ease, so every task feels controlled and efficient. Whether you're slicing, tightening, or making quick adjustments, this tool keeps up without hesitation. It's light enough to carry in a pocket or pack, yet tough enough to feel like more than just a backup. It's the kind of gear you bring just in case, but find yourself using far more than you expected. From daily fixes to outdoor situations, it's ready to go when you are, and built to earn its spot in your everyday carry. Turn the rollers, roll out a new challenge. This little gadget makes math fun, fast, and hands-on. No screens, no stress, just spin to create endless combinations of addition, subtraction, and more. Each twist brings a new problem, keeping minds active and engaged without ever feeling like homework. Perfect for kids who are learning, parents looking for interactive tools, or adults who want to stay sharp. Whether you're in a classroom, at home, or on the go, it's compact, playful, and way more satisfying than a worksheet. Math practice made simple and honestly, a little addictive. Cute, compact, and ready to light up your space, this mini LED reading lamp clips onto books, desks, or laptops with ease. The flexible neck lets you adjust the angle just right, while the soft, warm glow is gentle on the eyes. Whether you're reading, working, or winding down at night, it adds just the right touch of light and a little bit of charm to your setup. Small enough to take anywhere, bright enough to use everywhere. Looking sharp has never been this easy. This sleek handheld steamer fits right in your palm and powers up in seconds. No ironing board, no fuss. Just fill the tank, press the button, and let the continuous steam melt away wrinkles like magic. It works on all your favorite fabrics, from delicate dresses to cotton shirts and even heavier materials. Need a quick refresh before heading out? This tool is your secret weapon for smooth, crisp clothes anytime. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, it's perfect for both home use and travel. No more waiting for the iron to heat up, no more bulky equipment, just fast, easy results. Toss it in your bag, keep it by your vanity, or pack it for a weekend trip. It may look like a sleek ring, but it folds into a compact stainless steel tool you can count on. Great for stress relief or added peace of mind. Discreet, durable, and always ready. For those who take their tech seriously, this all-in-one cleaning system is a game changer. From dust hiding beneath your keys to grime in your charging port or smudges on your camera lens, it's designed to handle the delicate details that most tools miss. Thoroughly, safely, and with precision. Tucked neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, it includes everything from soft and firm brushes to air blowers, precision tips, a microfiber cloth, a refillable spray bottle, and even tiny tools crafted just for earbuds, SIM trays, and headphone slots. Each item fits perfectly in its own compartment, keeping the whole kit organized, protected, and always ready to go. No more improvising with cotton swabs or paper clips. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or someone who simply values spotless gear, this toolkit helps restore your devices to their best condition, without hassle or risk. Take care of your tech the smart way, wherever you are. Release the tension of the day with this wireless scalp massager. Your personal moment of calm wherever you are. Its rotating silicone nodes mimic the gentle kneading of human hands, easing stress from your head, neck, and shoulders with every move. Lightweight and cordless, it fits seamlessly into your routine, whether you're on the couch, at your desk, or winding down before bed. With each gentle rotation, it melts away fatigue and invites a lasting sense of comfort that's hard to put into words. Small in size, big in relaxation, and always within reach when you need it most. A clean modern lamp that adapts to your space. Touch to switch, fold to adjust, and use it however you like. Standing, hanging, or flat. Soft light when you want to relax, bright focus when you need to work. Simple, warm, and always useful. Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward.